case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2010, a copyright infringement dispute between songwriters and two media companies, Media Right Productions, Inc. and Orchard Enterprises, culminated in a decisive court ruling in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. These media companies were found guilty of unlawfully producing unauthorized copies of music albums. The genesis of the lawsuit revolved around assertions by the copyright holders that unauthorized copies of two music albums were created by Media Right Productions and Orchard Enterprises. In a separate yet related case, Media Right Productions and a certain Maxwell were implicated in illicitly copying one music album. The claimants sought damages not for the compilation as a whole, but for each individual track contained within the albums. However, the court's decision dramatically deviated from these expectations. Instead, the ruling deemed the entire album to be a single entity in this case, and accordingly, damages were awarded for the compilation in its entirety, a significant departure from the claimant's request. Upon appeal, the appellants reasoned that multiple awards of statutory damages corresponding to each song on the albums would be the appropriate redress. Their argument, however, was the first of its kind relating to music albums, and hence was not adopted by the court. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals reaffirmed the original decision of the district court. The judicial ruling emphasized treating music albums as a single entity, rather than a collection of independent works for the purpose of calculating statutory damages. The appellant's plea of willful infringement was dismissed on the ground that their conduct was deemed innocent. The awarded sum of $2,400 in statutory damages was not seen as unsubstantial. Therefore, the district court's calculation method was not revered. Adding to the appellant's woes, the Court of Appeals also upheld the district court's refusal to grant attorneys' fees as part of their claim. Notably, both district and appellate courts concurred on the nature of the infringement, marking it as non-willful, leading to the denial of attorneys' fees to the appellants.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.